What's up, guys? Today, Jayden and I, this is Jayden.
Hello.
That's Jayden, man. I'm Jarrod. I feel like an idiot introducing myself. We're not going to introduce ourselves in every video, but this is our first video. This is going to be our very first video of Last Cast. He didn't even know that. He just hopped in the car. I'm telling him right now, this is going to be our first video.
We're just figuring it out as it goes.
So for our first video, Jayden, this is my idea.
All right.
Are you ready for this?
Yeah.
We need to build an audience.
Okay.
And people aren't going to want to follow us for no reason, so let's give them a reason. I'm a tackle addict.
So am I. I'm bad.
We buy, dude, we're headed to Fleet Farm right now.
Yeah.
Again.
Right.
Every day. We go to Fleet Farm, we go to Dick's Sporting Goods, we go to Walmart, we go to Sportsman's Warehouse, we go to Bass Pro, we go on Carl's Bait and Tackle. We go everywhere and we buy a lot of tackle. Right now, we live in Minnesota. It is covered in snow.
Right.
Can't catch fish. We're gonna go buy baits to catch fish.
You gotta do what you gotta do.
So here's the deal. We're going to Fleet Farm. I just thought of this.
All right.
I'm gonna put together a little like tackle box, or maybe I'll buy a mystery tackle box. We're just kind of gonna record some of our thoughts or ideas. I mean, you guys have seen this on YouTube. Lots of fisherman channels out there. They talk about baits and what's good and when to use it, that sort of thing. We're gonna kind of do that. But stay tuned. We're gonna have a secret word. We'll have like a secret word.
Yeah.
And your job is to like, comment, and subscribe.
Right.
We want to get 100 subscribers. If we get 100 subscribers, that's all it is. It's not that many.
No, it's free. It's free. Just click it and that's it.
Share it. Share this video with a friend who also likes bass fishing.
Yep.
And that's it. Comment, and then we're gonna pick one of you, and you're gonna get a free tackle giveaway.
Yep.
That's it. We want to grow this channel. We have lots of videos coming out. A
yeah.
lot of them are going to be about
unboxing
and tackles for a while. And then we're going to start, when this finally thaws, we're going to start fishing.
Right.
And that's going to be kind of cool, kind of funny. Hopefully. That's the key. And giveaways. We're going to do giveaways, man.
Who doesn't like a good giveaway? I've entered like 10 giveaways this winter.
And your odds of winning these giveaways right now is really good, because we literally, at this point of recording this, have 0 followers.
Right.
0 subscribers, because we haven't even started the channel. This is the first video. All right, guys, I'm going to shut up. We're going to Fleet Farm. Stick with it.
Yep. Stay tuned.
Let's go get some lures. Let's get you some lures.
The John boat.
So this is what for the giveaway. We're gonna do this car. No, man, no, I don't have the money like that. I don't have the money like that.
Imagine you got a $450 Garmin.
Whew. I don't even have that.
Pretty messed up.
All right, let's go on over to the tackle. All right, so Jayden and I were just talking about how this Plano box.
This one.
So for spinner baits, I always complain that my little tackle trays, it's just a mess. And like it can only fit like a handful in there, and then the full thing is just done. This bigger Plano box, I'm just gonna bite the bullet and buy it. Guys, I say bite the bullet, it's only $7. And then your spinner bait just hangs in each one of these notches. Buzz baits too, yeah?
Yeah, buzz baits.
So I'm a big buzz bait guy. Picking that up, $7 at Fleet Farm, man. That's a deal. That's a steal of a deal. Jayden is actually, he does tournament fishing.
Yep.
And is sponsored by 13. So a lot of the gear that we use is all, like, for the most part, 13 fish. But he's got a lot of Shimano stuff too.
Shimano, Daiwa. I'm all over, but typically my rods are going to be 13. So me and Connor, we fish on the high school bass fishing team for our school. And luckily enough, we're sponsored by 13 and Thorn Brothers, which is a pretty local company, and a couple other great sponsors that we have. So.
Yeah. So I was just checking out the 13 spinning. They're actually pretty decent. I love their bait casters and their rods. But yeah. I'll tend to throw, like, I have a Luz Mach 2 setup that is pretty decent too. I like that. And Abu Garcia rod. I used to really love their rods, but now that I've been hanging with these guys, I'm really into 13. So eventually we'll get to the lures. We're just going through every aisle, it seems.
Kind of like this white one with a little sparkly head on it. Super flashy, 3/8 ounce. I don't know how I feel about this white and green pumpkin, it's fine, but these are just like super high class spinner baits. I've done so much damage on these little like $3, $2 spinner baits here that are just on the shelf. All spinner baits work the same almost all the time. but the higher quality ones are gonna last you way longer.
Yeah, we were actually at and sorry to say this, Strike King, but we were at Dick's the other day, and they have a different. It's Strike King, right? The
Yeah,
brand
these are the Strike King tournament grades.
But the ones that we were looking at
They're just
Dick's,
the cheap ones.
like when you go up and you actually like are touching these blades, like just pressing on it, it can start to bend. And just imagine, like that's just you pressing on it. A fish lays into this thing, it's not going to last for a really long time. But let's see. So like the willow blade on this, that one's actually that. Ooh, yeah, see, that's not good. The comment section, people are like, you break it, you buy it. I might have to purchase this one now. I mean, come on. I didn't even push that hard. That thing is busted now. Oof. All right, guys, we made it to Walmart. And not only did we make it to Walmart, but we're starting to see ideas for future videos. So comment down below who wants to see Jayden, remember, man, I can't even talk. Tournament angler try to complete the Bass Tackle Kit challenge, meaning we have to try to catch on something on everything in this case. So maybe you can do a video about this, try to complete a slam on the Bass Tackle Kit here. And then the other one that we saw down here is customize your own lure. So you got a popper, looks like lipless, and a little, almost like another crankbait here. So maybe we can do something like this, kind of custom bait. Dude, there's so many possible videos here. If you guys have any ideas of future videos, go ahead and leave that in the comments down below. All right, guys, so we have found at Walmart the mystery tackle box bass fishing kit. And so I'm a member of Carl's, the Carl's Club, which gives you 30% off of your orders on Carl's Club and free shipping. And with 30% off, I know, because I've looked, the cost is about $17 on Shop Carl's. So this is actually a really sweet value, I think, for what you're getting. We've done a few unboxings. Sometimes maybe they don't turn out to be all of what you're looking for, but sometimes you can get some really good ones. So here's the part of the video. We said we're going to do a giveaway. It turns out we haven't really bought a lot of lures today because we just did a $200 haul on Shop Carl's. And then we spent more after that. And we've done more after that. So we've got a lot of new lures that were just waiting to be used, waiting to be thrown. So here's the deal. I'm going to purchase one of these mystery tackle boxes. The secret word that we said is going to come up in the video is mystery tackle box. So you comment that down below. Tag a
MTB works.
Yeah, MTB will work. Tag a friend, subscribe. Make sure you're subscribed. And then once we hit that 100 subscribers, we will do a giveaway for your mystery tackle box. Jane's over here having a great time. What do they need to do?
Like, comment, subscribe. Once we get 100, you're getting a mystery tackle box. One of y'all is, so. That's so weird. How do all the lights go off, but the security camera stays on? So we were just in a blackout.
I wish the camera was going at the time. So the all the lights just went out. Alarm was kind of going off.
Someone was stealing.
Yeah, we were just part of a heist. They all the power went out in the Walmart for a little bit. All right, so I'm gonna snag up this mystery tackle box. All right, I had to get my mail, so I have this big order from Shop Carl's, and then I have even more tackle here that I ordered, and then obviously I'm gonna do the unboxing of this. And hey, there's my cat Fish. That's his name. His name's Fish. So I'm gonna head upstairs. We're gonna do an unboxing of this. I'm gonna kind of break into this because some of that is for Connor. You haven't met him yet, and Jayden. There's another video of Connor and I fishing on my channel, which is Mr. Ashley versus. I'll link that down below in the description area. So check that out. And then obviously, well, this first. I'm going to do the mystery tackle. Okay, let's go. Mystery tackle box. Obviously, Jayden went home, like I said. I am excited to do the mystery tackle box, show you what's inside this guy. This is box number 77. Sticker's on upside down. This is number 77, so if you're at Walmart or Dick's Sporting Goods right now and you're thinking about purchasing this one and you're like, I just don't know what's inside of it, is it going to be worth it? Box number 77. Again, we're going to be doing a giveaway for a mystery tackle box of your own. I'm not sure which one you're going to get. It won't be 77. I'm going to just send you one from Shop Carl's. If you're a member, you get a sweet discount. If you're not a member, sign up. Shop Carl's is a fantastic deal. All right, so let's crack into this one. So let's break into it. Let's go. So this is box number 77. So here we go. I'm opening it now. Most likely I'm going to have a sticker in there, and most likely I'm going to have EWG hooks, and it looks like there's a Guggen bait right off the bat. So I don't know how you feel about Guggen baits. I like them a lot, so I'm happy that I got at least that. So let's see what we have in here. We got the Dibbles Tips and Tricks, which is fantastic. I told you you're going to have EWG hooks. Mustad, that's a good brand. This is also sold on Shop Carl's. All the Catchco stuff is going to be on Shop Carl's. There's your MTB sticker. Guggen Squad, and we've got a clutch. Oh, thank God. I've wanted a clutch, actually. Guggen Squad clutch, and this is in the Sexy Shad. They do have a Grande clutch, which is about a ½ inch bigger than this one. Either way, I'm really happy to get a lipless crankbait. Got a tungsten finesse football jig. Never go wrong with a jig. One thing that I'm not too happy about, but I'm okay with it, Big Bites tube. Not a big tube guy, even though I'm up in Minnesota. People think that we all throw tubes up here. I'm gonna use these though, because I do have some soft bait molds. I have soft bait molds where I can melt these down and then use them and make new baits. Sorry, Big Bite baits. I don't think I'm gonna be using your tubes, just not my style. And melt those down and make me some new baits. We've got one of my favorites, Biospawn, the Biospawn Exo Ribbon. So I actually just ordered some of these on Shop Carl's. Never have enough soft plastics. These Exo ribbons are fantastic. I think this box to me is a win. Got a sweet Guggen bait, clutch, lipless crank, and a football jig, some EWG hooks. Can never have enough of those. And then these Biospawn Exo ribbons. Huge fan of that. And it's an awesome color. Electric black and blue. Like those. Sweet deal. You guys, comment. Hashtag MTB. Hashtag mystery tackle box. Hashtag you guys, you get the deal. Comment, 100 likes, 100 subscribers, and hit that 100 subscriber. One of you will get a mystery tackle box sent to you. Guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. This is Last Cast, you guys. We'll see you next time. All right.
Nice little hook set.